Former Logan police officer heading to jail after taking a plea deal in a domestic violence case. KSL investigator Daniela Rivera inside that courtroom today as he received his sentence.
That's right. The judge had harsh words for the disgraced former police officer today and the actions that brought him here. She also took note of what he did not do during his sentencing.
All right, Mr. Montoya, anything that you wish to say today, sir?
No, Your Honor.
34-year-old Michael Montoya didn't have much to say at his sentencing, but the victim in the case did. She told the judge how Montoya's last text to her, sent while patrolling the streets of Logan in his police car, read, "I wish you were dead." She said Montoya used his position of trust as a police officer to make her feel like no one would believe her if she reported him. The woman also said she supports the plea deal, one that keeps Montoya out of prison, serving just 354 days in jail. The prosecutor noting that deal overlooks the most egregious abuse in the case.
The defendant repeatedly engaged in acts of sexual abuse towards her, whether that was against her express consent or while she was unconscious.
You are the bad apple, sir.
The judge said she considered rejecting the deal, but ultimately went through with it after hearing from the victim.
I don't think you saying you're sorry would make one bit of difference, but you don't even have the common decency to stand up here today and apologize.
Montoya's attorney asked if he could serve his time in Emery County, where Montoya is expected to be safer given his past as a police officer. The judge agreed, but with this warning.
If you come back in here for even the smallest of violations, you should just plan on a trip to prison.
Do you have anything to say for yourself? Why didn't you apologize?
Montoya left the courtroom in silence, while the judge praised the victim in the case for finding the bravery to use her voice.
That is a courageous woman. Shame on you for trying to take that away from her or anyone else.
Montoya was originally planning to self-report to serve his sentence within 48 hours. Today, the judge essentially said, you don't need 48 hours. She expects him to show up first thing tomorrow morning. Reporting in Logan for KSL 5 News, I'm Daniela Rivera.